Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia X30, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset your phone through settings. So to get started, you will want to open up Settings. From Settings, scroll all the way down to System, select the Reset options, and then choose Erase All Data Factory Reset. And here, it gives you a quick notification on what it will remove. So one of the things, or a couple of the things that I would consider being important would be things like music, photos, and user data. The rest of the things I wouldn't say you need to worry about it, because they are usually just cloud stored things like Google accounts, system and app data and settings. Those can be changed or re-downloaded, and obviously downloaded apps. So anyway, if you want to keep anything on your phone, you might want to create a backup copy of it before you begin. But assuming you have already done so, or you simply don't want to, you can then select Erase All Data, do so once more, and this will begin factory resetting the phone. Now this process will take probably 3 minutes or so, I'm guessing, to finish up. Once it's completed, we'll then be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your phone however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.